cornmeal porridge. Requested video for my audience, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to use it and make it. All right. I won't be making too much. I'm just gonna be putting with about, this is 3 tablespoons of cornmeal. 3 tablespoons of cornmeal. All right. So as I say, it's just requested video. I'm not gonna be making too much with you guys this morning. All right. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. All right. Get the pot on. Here it is, 3 tablespoons of fine cornmeal. All right, and I'm gonna walk through it and show you how to make it because it's a requested video recipe. All right, yeah. And water, roughly about 2 cups of water. You can always add water to it. Let's see. I've got my favorite. All right. So, cinnamon stick. All right. Cloves, a few grains. Pimento seed. Sea salt. All right. Says it is a good look so far. These are a requested video now. All right. Yeah. So we got cinnamon stick, cloves, pimento seed, and salt. Yeah. That looking good. We're gonna use some almond milk inside of it. Now, coconut milk powder, 1 tablespoon. Yeah, that looking good, guys. Yeah, I prefer use the coconut milk powder. Yeah. For some reason, I don't know why I started to use it, but it works really well for me, so I just keep using it. Coconut milk powder. Yeah. cornmeal is very easy to swallow, you know, guys. So you don't want to be using too much cornmeal. So what we're gonna do, pour out the cornmeal mixture by using almond milk and mix it up. And give it a stir like this. Alright, keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Don't make it get lump. Yeah. Just keep stirring up it like this. Alright. This is easy to lump. So you just want it to smooth. See? Yeah, that looking good. Alright, that looking nice. Alright, that's what we're talking about. Good vibes. See that? Look how easy. Very, very easy. That's the cornmeal porridge. What are you cooking this morning? Cornmeal porridge. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Now you need that to cook for a good 15 minutes at least. Cover it up. Good vibes this morning. Make it cook, guys. Cook it up, cook it up. Cook it up, Chef Ricardo. See that? Look at that. Requested video. Look at that. That's cornmeal porridge, man. Best in the world. Best in the world. Yeah. That looking good. See? This is how you make your cornmeal porridge. You know? Very simple and delicious. Yeah. See that? 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it. It doesn't take long to cook because I use hot water. All right. Nutmeg egg, a little bit of nutmeg egg. Pinch of grounded cinnamon. Some mixed spice. And then you can use milk or whatever you want to use to sweeten it, sweetener, or but most Jamaican use milk. Some people use sugar. So I think that is pretty enough rough, but you sweeten taste as it goes on. And that looking good, honestly. That looks amazing. Lovely. Let's taste it, see where we are. That's perfect, guys. That is perfect. 100% perfect. What I would do is just put a little bit more almond milk in it. Just a little bit more, not too much. Yeah. So don't get too thick. So that's a little bit more perfect. All right. That is lovely. Very, very lovely. All right, and that's the way it looked this morning. Jamaican cornmeal porridge. If you want to learn to make it, here it is. Leave it for a few minutes. So, if you like that, let me know, guys. And we can always make beautiful recipe for you. Always. All right, simple and delicious. All right. So, I'm gonna turn off our cooker. Bring it out. get our ball. Esther Delicious just waking up. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Okay. I know you miss it. Alright guys, let's remove this one. Yeah. Alright. Yeah man, I'm gonna show now. Good vibes. Jamaican porridge. Alright. Okay. So yeah. Use my yellow card. Alright, very hot, but don't want to get in the burn. Yeah, it's just a quick recipe from, you know, my audience. That when they request something, I have to make it for them, just to make them happy. You know. So that's how the porridge look right there. So we're gonna just simple pour it out like this. Jamaican caramel porridge, man. It's a simple one. You can't get this to buy in your big supermarket. Yeah, you have to make this at home. All right, here it is. If you like it, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments in the comment section. Tell a friend. Jamaican caramel porridge with a little bit of twist. All right, stay tuned for more tips and more ideas. Big up on yourself every time, and my respect goes for you guys. All right, see you next time.